In the world of web development, choosing the right front-end framework can feel like picking your favorite ice cream flavor. Each has its unique taste and perks. Today, let's briefly dive into the most popular ones: React, Angular, Vue, and Svelte. First up, React. It's like the chocolate chip of frameworks, versatile and loved by many. Created by Facebook, it's great for building dynamic user interfaces with its component-based architecture. Next, Angular. Think of it as the Neapolitan ice cream, offering a full flavor experience. Developed by Google, it's a comprehensive solution for building scalable web applications, providing a well-structured framework that covers it all, from development to testing. Then there's Vue. Imagine it as the mint chocolate chip, refreshing and simple to pick up. Vue is admired for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a go-to for both small projects and scalable applications. Lastly, Svelte. This is the sorbet in our ice cream analogy: light, fast, and doesn't leave residue. It shifts much of the work to compile time, resulting in faster runtime performance and less code to manage. So why choose one over the other? It often comes down to project needs, team familiarity, and the specific features you value. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. Just like with ice cream, sometimes you need to taste a few before you find your favorite. Whether you're building your first project or exploring new technologies, dive in and don't be afraid to get a little messy. The best way to learn is by doing, and who knows, you might just discover your new favorite flavor.